What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button as well as smash the subscribe button. So in today's video, we're going to be going over a game-changing fintech organization that is changing the way that we both borrow as well as invest our money. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing LendMe. So lending and borrowing money just got easier. Lend and borrow digitally with confidence. LendMe was created because the traditional ways of lending has failed both borrowers and lenders. High operation and underwriting costs have created barriers to lend and access capital. LendMe removes all unnecessary costs by using technology to give borrowers transparent and immediate access to capital. LendMe allows lenders the ability to lend without the high costs needed to maintain, staff, verify, and qualify borrowers and manage loans. Now with LendMe, you can borrow $50,000 to $5,000 with instant access to lenders that compete to lend to you. Unlike others, LendMe lenders will offer you a rate you deserve regardless of your credit score. With just a couple of clicks, you can request a loan. Currently, LendMe has over 500,000 users and have originated over $5.5 million among 17,000 plus loans. So how does LendMe work? So again, this is a peer-to-peer platform that allows you to borrow money. So with just 3 clicks, you have access to lenders competing for your loan. You simply input the amount you're looking for and how long you need to pay it back and create a loan request. Now, if you're investing or lending, within 3 clicks, you have access to the types of loan requests that you want to see based on information like credit score report, banking data, and LendMe score. So they offer 3 different products. So LendMe Invest, LendMe Borrow, as well as LendMe Enterprise. So LendMe is the easiest way to borrow money. Again, with 3 clicks, you get immediate access to loans from businesses and individual investors, and you can choose the offer that best fits your needs. Low credit score, no problem. So if you have a low credit score, you can still get approved for a loan request on LendMe and also build history on the app, get bigger loans and better rates. It offers flexible payback that automatically comes from your bank account, so there's no missed payments. And if you need an extension, just extend the payback period. So how does it work? So you're going to request a loan. So once you download the app, get verified with your identity and connect your bank account, you'll be ready to request a loan in minutes. Within minutes, you will begin to see which lenders are interested in offering you a loan. Each lender will list the interest rate they're offering you, so you can accept right away or wait for others. Once you choose an offer, you can accept the loans and the funds will be transferred directly to your bank account the next day. Payments will be collected directly from your account on the day you request it. It's that easy. With LendMe Invest, you can invest whether you're an experienced investor or if it's your first time lending. Their algorithm will help guide you towards the best and most profitable returns. So if you want to start lending, they've made it very easy. So you just create your account, become an investor in just a few steps. So you can choose a loan, review the data, and make an offer. Next, you can earn, just sit back, relax, and the payments will automatically be sent to you. Now, how LendMe Invest works, so you're going to get access to over 2,000 data points to make an informed investment decision, including credit report data, aggregated banking data, income, and payment history. You can use LendMe's machine learning algorithms that predict the borrower's risk profile. You can easily fund and receive payments on the app, and you can withdraw funds at any time at no cost. Payments will be automatically transferred to your account on the LendMe dashboard, and you can see payment status, earnings, and expected payouts in real time. All right, so let's say you want to be an investor on LendMe. So the first thing you're going to have to do is actually fund your account. So once you fund your account, you'll see these different loan requests, and these different loan requests have different risk ratings. So as you can see, red is going to be for like lower credit scores, green is going to be for higher credit scores. And if you click on any of these particular loan requests, it'll actually, show the credit score. So they're using Vantage Score. They have a LendMe score, payment history, credit utilization, total accounts, annual income, derogatory status, and whether or not they've actually completed any loans on LendMe. So you can use all of this data to inform the decision from the lender's perspective. And they have hundreds of different deals that you can choose from. And so depending on, your risk tolerance, you could decide how much you want to fund, which deals you want to fund. So again, clicking on these, it'll actually tell you a little bit more information about the potential loan request, the borrower, what their LendMe score is, if they have derogatory remarks, their credit utilization, payment history, annual income. And right here, they have like their average expenses and their average income. And then they also have LendMe Predict. And this is a machine learning powered algorithm that predicts the likelihood of the borrower borrower to pay back. So these are just additional tools that you could utilize to help you make a lending decision from the investor perspective. Now, on the borrower side, you could submit a loan request initially from a minimum of $50 all the way up to a maximum of $200. Now, how can you increase your loan limit? So when you pay on time, you can request another loan. And if you show your income, so investors prefer to fund a borrower who is willing to show their income. The higher the credit score, the more appealing the investor. And you can also get a limit increase up to $10,000 if you connect your cryptocurrency account. Now, they also have this public fee, which shows different borrowers how much they've borrowed, what the payment term was. And so you could basically go through this, and it pretty much shows, the history of a lot of the borrowers on the platform. So just to recap, LendMe is a peer-to-peer lending and investment platform. So not only can you borrow money, but you can also invest in some of the deals. So whether you want to be a borrower or if you want to be an investor and earn returns, pretty much what you would do is you would be funding some of the loan requests. So it's pretty much a peer-to-peer platform that matches borrowers and investors. And you can get approved even if you have a very low credit score. Now, I think this is a very innovative platform because it pretty much allows you to borrow and invest money without having to go through a financial institution. So whether you're looking to borrow some money up to $5,000, or if you're looking to deploy some of your money where you actually earn some passive income by funding some of the loans. And LendMe also allows you to have access to all of the data on the lending side. So you could see what the credit score is of the borrower, what their income is, what their banking activity is like. And they also have on the platform their history of repaying loans. So you can see all of these data points and use those data points to make a decision. So overall, I think this is a game-changing platform. If anyone is interested, I've dropped some links in the description of the video, so you could definitely go check it out. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.